Hey guys, so I was looking through my computer for something completely unrelated, and I came across these two clips of the Eckler's 2018 reunion down in Titusville. And at the time, I really wasn't into shooting a lot of video. I was more into doing photos for the blog. But I guess I managed to shoot these two videos of some of the C3s that were there, and I think there was a total of 20 of them. Anyway, I also have a lot of pictures that I am going to add at the end of the video, so I hope you enjoy it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.